Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the first post-recess hearing of the Budget Committee. This one is a little bit unique in that I am co-chairing it with Senator Padilla, and it will be, I don't know if co-ranking member is a verb, but our distinguished ranking member will be supported by Senator Lee as a opener also. So we will have, rather than the usual 2 opening statements, we will have 4 opening statements. And I want to thank Senator Padilla for his emphasis on this issue and his support for this hearing. This morning, we discussed the role that immigration plays in driving our economic growth and strengthening our global competitive advantage. Ahead of this year's House-driven default crisis, Ranking Member Grassley called on both parties to get serious about the budget, deficits, and debt. As this committee has repeatedly shown, we have levers at our disposal to reduce the deficit and, more importantly, to reduce the debt to GDP ratio. For example, we can increase revenues by fixing our corrupted tax code, and we can avoid future increased expenditures and decreased revenues by investing now in climate change protections. Showering tax cuts on the wealthy, on big mega donors, and on big oil are, in my view, not serious pathways to fiscal responsibility. Today's hearing discusses a powerful tool in our toolkit, and that is immigration. Economists and experts agree that expanding lawful immigration pathways to the U.S. will grow our workforce, our productivity, and our economy. Reforming our decades-old immigration laws is long overdue. Congress has been trying to reform the system for the entire time that I've been in the U.S. Senate. In the 11 years since creating the DACA program, we have not yet passed permanent protections for dreamers, whose fate now lies with the Supreme Court. Real human consequences to this delay play out in the lives of immigrants, their families, employers, and communities. People are frightened and people are suffering. This includes people seeking refuge and safety. This includes many essential workers. And as one of our witnesses today will testify, this includes people who grew up here, built a life here, and then had to give it all up when our immigration laws failed them. There are also serious economic consequences. A landmark study on the economics of immigration by the National Academy of Sciences found unequivocally that immigration is integral to America's economic growth. At all skill levels and at all education levels, immigrants boost our economy. Immigrants are about 80% more likely to start a business than those born in the U.S., and immigrant entrepreneurs create jobs for U.S.-born workers. More than 1 in 5 small businesses in the U.S. is immigrant-owned, and more than 40% of Fortune 500 companies were founded by an immigrant or the child of an immigrant. Immigrants are also more likely to hold patents and fuel innovation nationwide. Notably, innovation accelerates among U.S.-born and immigrant workers alike when immigration increases. Further, undocumented workers help fuel our economy. Providing pathways to lawful immigration and citizenship is not only a moral imperative, it is an economic one. An estimated 3/4 of all undocumented immigrants were essential workers during the pandemic. In other words, they were heroes. Their economic contributions would be even greater and their risks of exploitation and labor abuse greatly reduced if lawful status were accorded to them. The Center for American Progress estimated that creating pathways to citizenship for dreamers, TPS holders, farm workers, and essential workers would boost U.S. GDP by $1.7 trillion over 10 years and would create over 400,000 new jobs. Providing lawful status to undocumented workers also benefits U.S.-born workers by increasing worker power and reducing wage exploitation. A rising tide lifts all boats. Economic growth is a product of labor force growth and productivity growth. Immigrants are important to both, and they have become essential to meeting existing labor needs and to the continued health of our social insurance programs, as the CBO director testified in July. If 2 million more immigrants came to the U.S. each year, we could reverse our predicted population and productivity decline. And we could nearly double GDP to $47 trillion by 2050. Compared to a GDP of only $33 trillion in a low immigration scenario. If we are serious about global economic competition with China, then we need to welcome immigrants. U.S. immigration hurdles are motivating businesses to hire workers to facilities abroad instead of in their U.S. facilities. The talent pool is global, and America needs to attract global talent to the U.S. Experts have warned that without boosting legal immigration significantly now, the U.S. will sacrifice its position as the world's largest economy by 2030. Our outdated and broken immigration system is harming people, and it is also harming our economy and affecting our budget. Repairing it will expand our economic potential and strengthen our global competitiveness. We can fix this, and we should try. I turn it over now to Ranking Member Grassley.